Arden Progressive School welcome you all in this video. This video I am going to start exercise 5.1 question number 3 onwards. Okay. So question number 3 I have written for you here. What is asked in the question? A question mark, B question mark. That means you have to find the first term and common difference. Okay. First term or common difference you have to find. See first part. This is the series given to you. What is the first term? This is. So first term is 3. What is the common difference? A2 minus A1. That means A2 is 1 minus first term is 3. So minus 2 is your common difference. Done. Second part. What is the first term? A minus 5. What is the common difference? A2 minus A1. ऐसे ही तो निकालोगे. This minus this. Common difference. कितने का difference है? You will get. So minus 1 minus of minus 5. So that means minus 1 प्लस 5. तो इसका मतलब कितने का डिफरेंस है? 4 का. प्लस 4 का. तो इसमें प्लस 4 ऐड करते चले जाओ. यू विल गेट द नंबर माइनस 5 प्लस 4 माइनस 1 माइनस 1 प्लस 4 प्लस 3 प्लस 3 प्लस 4 प्लस 7. यू आर गेटिंग. ओके. नेक्स्ट ईयर फर्स्ट टर्म a is 1/3. कॉमन डिफरेंस 5/3 minus 1/3. Denominator is same. So directly subtract the numerator. 4/3 is the common difference. Here first term is 0.6 and common difference is A2 minus A1. That means 1.7 minus 0.6. It is coming 1.1. So check also. Add 1.1 in this 1.7. Add 1.1 in this 2.8. Add 1.1 in this 3.9. So that means the answers easy and right. Okay. So these are very easy question. Question number 3 we have done. Now quickly move to question number 4. Okay. So students, this is the 4th question and what is find AP. That means find whether these are in AP or not. Okay. Then if these are in AP, if yes, agar they are in AP, find the next 3 terms. You have to find the next 3 terms. इसके आगे के 3 terms और निकालने हैं. So very first we have to find whether this is an AP or not. So this is common difference. Find करो. A2 minus A1. So what is 4 minus 2 is coming 2. Then or A3 minus A2. That means 8 minus 4 4. See the common difference are different. So we are writing as common difference is not same. Okay. Common difference is not same. क्योंकि कॉमन डिफरेंस है तो कॉमन ही होना चाहिए. सो देयरफॉर इट इज नॉट इन एपी. तो ये जो सीरीज है इट इज नॉट इन एपी. ओके. दिस इज डन. इफ इट इज नॉट इन एपी, व्हाई वी विल फाइंड द नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स? वी विल नॉट फाइंड. लीव इट. नेक्स्ट वन, फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस इन दिस a2 minus a1. so what is a2? 5/2 minus 2. take the LCM. 2 is the LCM. 5 minus 4 1/2. take or check from here also. A3 minus A2. that means 3 minus 5/2. take the LCM. 2 3 2s are 6 minus 5 1/2. common difference is same, therefore it is in AP. so we'll write as D is same, common difference is same, therefore it is in AP. तो ये AP में है. okay. I am writing it short, you write it properly. okay. then if it is in AP, तो find the next 3 terms. तो देखो 1 2 3 4 terms तो है, तो हम 5th term 6th term और 7th term निकालना है. 5th term 6th term and 7th term. next 3 terms निकाले ना. 1 2 3 4 is given to you. okay. अब देखो first term is A. ठीक. second term is A plus D. third term is A plus 2D. fourth term is A plus 3D. फिफ्थ टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? A प्लस 4D. ठीक है. A प्लस 4D. सिक्स्थ टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? A प्लस 5D. सेवेंथ टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? A प्लस 6D. ठीक है. नहीं तो सीधी सीधी आप व्हाट यू विल डू, 7/2 में कॉमन डिफरेंस 1/2 ऐड करो. यू विल गेट. ठीक है. तो आई एम राइटिंग A और सीधे सीधे कर दो. 7/2 प्लस कॉमन डिफरेंस 1/2. 8/2 दैट मीन्स 4. तो नेक्स्ट टर्म इज 4 मिला. ठीक है. 1 2 3 टर्म्स यू टू फाइंड. अब इसका करो. अब 4 वी गॉट प्लस 1/2 So 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9/2 will get. ठीक है, तो next term will get 9/2. फिर हमारे पास 9/2 में then again 1/2, 5 आ गया. ठीक है, तो next term is 5. So these are the next three terms. Okay, done this question. Second part. Let us do the next part. Okay. Now we will check these two whether they are in AP or not. Find the common difference in this D. A2 minus A1. That means minus 3.2 minus of, this is already in minus, keep in bracket, minus 1.2. So minus 3.2 plus 1.2. That means 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 1 2. So minus 2 is the common difference. Check one more. A3 minus A2. Okay. A3 is 1 2 3 minus 5.2 minus 3.2. This is already negative term. So minus 5.2 plus 3.2. How much it's getting? Again you got minus 2. Okay. As the common difference is same, I'm not writing the statement. You will write as the common difference is same. Therefore, it is in AP. अभी AP में है, तो अब इसका नेक्स्ट टर्म निकालना है. देखो 1 2 3 फोर्थ टर्म देना है, फिफ्थ टर्म निकालेंगे. ठीक है, फिफ्थ टर्म कैसे होगा? फोर्थ टर्म में कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड कर दो. तो माइनस 7.2 प्लस कितना माइनस करना है? माइनस 2 ऐड करना है. सो यू विल गेट हियर माइनस प्लस माइनस माइनस ही हो जाएगा. सो माइनस 2 ऐड करो, माइनस 9.2. ठीक है, सो यू विल गेट माइनस 9.2 द नेक्स्ट वन. Next you got sixth, minus 9.2 plus minus 2, open the bracket. So you will get minus 11.2. Okay. Then again A7 minus 11.2 plus of minus 2. So you will get minus 13.2. Minus 13.2. So next three terms you got if it is a AP. Okay. So solve that common difference. A2 minus A1. So that means 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So cancel out. You got root 2. Again, or we can find A3 minus A1. Check when 2's. Okay. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Okay. Solve it. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. Open the bracket. Okay. 3 to 2 can 2 minus 1 1. That means root 2. So common difference is coming same. Therefore you will write it is in AP. ये AP में है. Write the statement properly. Okay. Then 1 2 3 4 terms are given. Fifth term, sixth term, seventh term you have to write. Fifth term 3 plus 3 root 2. Fourth term ये है, इसमें root 2 और add कर दो. So that means what you will get? 3 plus 4 root 2. Okay. 3 plus 4 root 2. अब ये क्या आ जाएगा? 3 plus 5 root 2. This will come 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay. But you have to write also. You will write the next 3 plus 4 root 2 में add root 2. Common difference 3 plus 5 root 2 and A7 is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. That means 3 plus 6 root 2. कहाँ से आया 3 plus 5 root 2? Sixth term जो है उसमें root 2 और add कर दिया. You will get the next term. Okay. So fifth part I did. I left the part fourth in between that you will do with yourself same like this. Okay. Now I am doing few more parts of it. Let's see. So let us do that. Now we can check these three that they are in AP or not. If they are in AP, we will find the next three terms. If they are not in AP, we will not find the next three terms. Okay. So the first eighth part of the fourth question. Common difference A2 minus A1. For checking this is in AP or not, we are finding common difference. Okay. So difference same होना चाहिए, then only it is in AP. So A2 minus 1/2 minus A1 minus 1/2. Minus 1/2 plus 1/2 is 0. चलो, अब now the next also. और A3 minus A1 is again minus 1/2 minus of A3 minus A2. Minus 1/2. Again the same thing. The answer will come 0. So we will write as the common difference is same. It is in AP. So this is in AP. तो next three term क्या हो जाएंगे? 1 2 3 टर्म्स. ओके, इसमें 0 ऐड करो, -1/2, देन 0 और ऐड करो, अगेन -1/2, देन 0 और ऐड करो, -1/2. So you will get -1/2, -1/2, -1/2. Okay, come to this. This is common difference a2 minus a1. This is a square minus a. अब देखो, you are not dividing it, so you cannot cancel. Take common. A is common, a minus 1. ठीक है, common difference. Same way here, b is equals to a3 minus a2, a cube minus a square. Take a square common, a minus 1. देखो, common difference is not same. Both are different. So write as common difference is different. So this is not in AP. So it is not in AP. You will write this. So you will not find the next three terms then. Okay. Come to 12th part. 12th part is common difference find. √8 minus √2. That means a2 minus a1. √8 को सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो. How you can write? 4 2 is 8. You can write in starting. तो 2 का बाहर आ गया तो 2 √2 you will write minus √2. We can write it in this form, √8. Okay. So now we can solve it because these two are √2 common ले लो तो 2 minus 1 1. ऐसे भी directly will solve. So it was √2. Okay, √2 minus 2 √2 minus √2 is 2 minus 1 is 1 √2. Okay, or a3 minus a2 you can do √18 minus √8. अब देखो √18 को क्या लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है, 16 no 9 2 is 18. You can write it like this. Okay, so 9 का 3 outside, 3 √2 माइनस √8 को क्या लिख सकते हो, 2 √2. सो इसमें से √2 कॉमन ले लो, ठीक है, तो अंदर क्या बचा, 3 minus 2, तो 1, दैट मीन्स √2. और वैसे भी सीधे देखो √2 वाले डायरेक्टली वी कैन कैंसिल. तो एज द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज सेम, सो इट इज इन AP. तो ये तो हो गया इट इज इन AP. अब जो नेक्स्ट थ्री टर्म्स हैं यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट. ओके, तो फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म एंड थर्ड टर्म. सो नाउ हाउ यू विल गेट ए फिफ्थ टर्म. फिफ्थ टर्म इज फोर्थ टर्म में ऐड कर दो कॉमन डिफरेंस, दैट मीन्स √32 प्लस √2. इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो. 16 2 is 32, तो ये हो जाएगा 4 √2. इसका 4 बाहर आ गया, 4 4 is 16 √2 प्लस √2, तो दिस इज 5 √2. 5 √2 मतलब इसको और अंदर भेजो तो 5 5 से 25 का होता है, 25 2 जा, ठीक है, अगर 5 को अंदर भेजोगे तो इट बिकम्स 25. सो √50. Got it? How I done? I have done 32. We can write 16 2 is 32. So for solving it, we are doing very first 4 outside. तो 4 √2 plus √2, 5 √2. 5 √2 हो गया. और 5 √2 को अगर हम इस फॉर्म में लिखना चाहें तो how I can write? 5 को अगर अंदर भेजोगी तो it is 25. ठीक है, 25 का फिर बाहर आ गया, 5 हो गया. तो इफ स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 5 हो जाएगा. 25 और 2 तो ऑलरेडी अंदर था, 25 2 is 50. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टर्म इज √50. अब √50 में अगेन a6, √50 मीन्स 5 √2 प्लस √2, 6 √2. सेम वे 6 को सेंड इन साइड, 36 into 2. So 36 2s are 72. So next term is √72. Then next term a7, √72 means √72, that is 6 √2. Okay, plus √2, it becomes 7 √2. 7 को अंदर करो, 49 into 2. Okay, so 9 2s are 18, carry 4 2s are 8, 9, √98. So these are the next three terms of an AP. Okay, let us start the next one. Let us see. Now I am doing the last part, that means 15th one. Okay, so 15 is yours 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73 simple. Okay, so you have to check whether this is in AP or not. If it is in AP, अगर AP में आता है, so you have to find the next three terms. Okay, simply find the common difference. Common difference is a2 minus a1. That means 5 square minus 1 square. What is it? 25 minus 1 is 24. Okay, and I am finding a3 minus a2. This is also same. इसमें से a minus करो, इसमें से a minus करो. Same common difference will come. So 7 square minus 5 square. That means 49 minus 25. Again 24. Okay. So as the common difference is same, I am writing as the common difference is same, therefore it is in AP. Next line, it is in AP. अब next terms लिखाते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4 term is already given. Fifth term. Okay. Fifth term is, fourth term is 74. 74 में common difference add कर दो 24. Okay. 98. So you are getting 90. Sorry, this is 73 beta. 73. So this is 97. Okay. Then I am getting sixth term. अब 97 में again 24 add. Okay. So 121. Okay, you are getting 121. Again the seventh term. 121 plus 24. Okay. So this is 145. So your last is 145. So this is your 5.1 exercise. Okay, complete it, and it was easy exercise. Only you have to practice. क्या करना है? सिर्फ कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या होता है? a2 minus a1, या फिर a3 minus a2, या फिर a4 minus a3. Okay, so common difference will also say first term a. Okay, या फिर a1. So this you have to do. So this video I'm just completing here only because your exercise is completed. Till then, please do like and share the video, and thank you very much. Important thing, do practice. Don't leave the practice. Okay, thank you beta. Bye bye.